maybe it's not getting, the spark's not big enough or what. Hey, how do you like that? Hey YouTube, I'm coming back to the Suburban. It's supposed to snow tonight, so all the Graveleys are ready to go. It says anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. My guess is around 4, so I'll probably, instead of taking the blower out, I'll probably take the plow, since the blower usually works better with, you know, 6 or more or 8 or more, so it's not usually you know, worth taking it out for that. But and plus it's supposed to be 60 this week, so don't really have to worry about plowing stuff up and having it freeze. So I decided to jump back to the Suburban, and it's funny, like I said, in the past I've lost spark, which was frustrating as hell. So instead of tearing it apart, what I did real quick was pulled this black wire off, which is, this is I believe is a cutout or something. I believe those, you know, those of you who know better will comment below. But I believe this is a cutout, and I tried it with it attached and got nothing. And then I just took it off before I said, well, before I take the shroud off and get everything all freaking nutso, let me just take this off and test it out. And sure enough, I actually got a spark. So I'm going to hook up the carb here, and you know, maybe get a jumper on a stronger battery, because my little jumper pack is having trouble with this, you know, giving it enough amperage. So give me a minute and we'll try it in a little bit. Alright, so I got it out here, got it, gas in it. Here's the issue now. I don't know what the hell it is. I put on Facebook, I thought maybe the belt size was too small, but a lot of the guys are like, it's, you know, it seems to be fine. But when I try to start it, it just doesn't seem like it has enough spinning, and I got plenty of cranking amps. The battery I have is basically brand new, and it's got 725 cold cranking amps, so it's got plenty. But watch when I try to start it. It's like it's struggling to just turn it over. I don't know if there's nothing under load, like the belt on the drive side is not moving, so it's not like that's binding or something like that. But it seems like there's, like, I don't know, too much compression or something. But it's just, it pops once in a while, but not significant. It's just not getting enough speed. So I don't know what you know, if it's not one thing, it's something else. You know, that's typical with these tractors, but you know, I don't remember ever having this much struggle trying to get it to crank over. It just, I don't know what's going on. So stay tuned. Comment if you know what it is. Thanks. So I'm going to try this the old-fashioned way. I took the belt off, and I'm going to just try pull starting it and see what happens. If I can get enough speed on it. Probably pull out my shoulder, but we'll try it and see what happens. Funny thing is, this, you know, I was expecting this to be a high load, like the Graveleys. This thing is like nothing to pull. I'm gonna fall over. I don't know, it's just Maybe it's not getting, the spark's not big enough or what. Hey, how do you like that? Let's try this again. Ah, you suck. Make a bigger knot on this. I don't know what it is, I don't know if it's the starter or what, but let's try this again. course. Of course. Let's try this again. go not crazy. Yeah, looks like the carb needs to be adjusted or something. Maybe we'll get some more gas. The tank is a little on the low side, so I think that's might be what it is. Let's try this again. Gassed it up. All right, sweet, finally. So hopefully the oil or whatever it's smoking will burn off. It may or may not. You know, if you remember back to the older videos, I didn't do anything to the rings. I didn't get that deep into it. Maybe I should have, who knows, time will tell. But yeah, it was that little wire there that killed it every time. So doing good. So like I was saying, it's basically what I did was I just took off this kill wire, which was, I guess, grounding it out or something. I'll have to go back in and check and figure out why. You know, so two new things to figure out on this, why that's killing it out. It's funny, like it ran originally with it, and then it suddenly stopped, and now I take that off, and now it works. You know, now it works. It's kind of weird. That, and then no idea why this starter doesn't have enough juice, enough torque to start it, because literally, like, this engine is nothing to pull in comparison to my Gravely's. Nothing, zero. Like, man, my, you know, 6-year-old could pull start this thing. This thing's nothing as far as weight. But hey, I'm beyond excited the fact that this is you know, running again. So all right, now let's tune it and then get that damn loader on this thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.